The Devon Rex cat, with its large ears and curly coat, is the playful pixie of the feline world. Originating in England, this unique breed is known for its affectionate, mischievous, and curious personality. Devon Rex cats thrive on human interaction, often following their owners and entertaining with their energetic antics and love of adventure. Their coats are low maintenance, requiring minimal grooming, which makes them even more appealing. Perfect for active, loving homes, Devon Rex cats bring charm, intelligence, and endless fun, making them a delightful companion for anyone seeking a quirky and engaging pet.